Hi guys, I'm back with another gel polish mani. So I have full coverage nail tips here, and I have applied one coat of Madam Glam's base coat and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so if you don't know by now, Madam Glam is a HEMA-free gel polish company. And so I have two colors here, 24K and Blessing. 24K is a glittery gold, and Blessing is white, but it has a little bit of shimmer in it. But I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up on camera. So with both both colors, I apply 2 thin coats of color on each nail, and then I cure in between each coat for a full 60 seconds. And then I'm going to come back and apply some water slide decals along with some chrome nail stamping. So just hang out with me while I do this application. So after the second coat of color, here are the nails, and I have some decals here from Spirit Art Designs. They're like Chanel leopard inspired decals. So I cut out the ones with the smaller leopard print and spray them with water. And while I wait for the water to release the decal from the paper backing, I am going to apply a layer of gel base coat to 2 of the nails and cure in my LED lamp, just because I want a better tacky layer on the nail. You can use the inhibition layer from curing the colored gel polish, but you know, whatever works. The base coat works as well. And so I'm just dabbing off excess water and just sliding the decal off the paper backing and pressing that down on the nail. Now with these, it took a little bit to mold to the nail. I guess they need time to start drying before you mold them down to the nail. But either way, I get those smoothed out, and then I take nail scissors and cut off excess decal on the side walls and free edge and cuticle area of the nail. So I'm just smoothing that out, and then I do encapsulate the decals with base coat and top coat. So after I get that smoothed out, I do go in and apply a layer of Madame Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat to that white nail, and then I wiped off with alcohol. So I'm going in with a Maniology subscription plate that I have, some Mirror Light Gold Chrome Powder from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉, and sticky black stamping polish from Clear Jelly Stamper. And so I'm just cleaning my plate with acetone. I'm going to take that Mirror Light Gold Chrome Powder and apply that to a stamper. Now, whenever you're doing chrome stamping, number one, you need a matte surface, and you need some type of sticky stamping polish. I just like the one from Clear Jelly Stamper. It works well. And so I'm applying that chrome polish with the eyeshadow applicator to the stamper head. And when you're doing this, you want to use a stamper that you really don't care that much about. Even though you can remove the chrome powder from the stamper head with like a lint roller, piece of tape, or whatever, over time it will get cloudy. And I left the stamping part in real time just so you can kind of see how slow I'm moving. And so I am applying the sticky black polish to the stamping plate using the scraper card, scraping at an angle. And I'm just going to roll the stamper to pick it up. Boom, it picks up nice and crisp, using the end of or the back of the scraper card to remove excess polish from the stamper head. And then I'm going to line that up on the middle of the nail, or try to line it up to the best of my ability on the middle of the nail. And then I'm going to press that down, hold it, and then I'll wait a few seconds, and I do mean like maybe 1 to 2 seconds, because you got to think I'm moving slow, so the polish is having time to dry and get tacky. And so once I give it a few seconds, I'm going to take the stamper head and just kind of roll that chrome powder over that black sticky polish, and you can see it sticking to the polish and not the actual nail. And so I'm just tapping that on there, and then I go in and apply top coat to all of the nails. And in regards to cleaning the stamper head, I'm just rolling it on my sticky pad that I have from Clear Jelly Stamper. You can use a lint roller just to clean that excess chrome powder off of this stamper head. So here are the nails on my little nail palette there. I'm not sure how well I like the gold leopard print on that middle nail, but it worked, I guess. And so I do apply these to my nails with sticky tabs, and I just pop them right off after the video. So here's the finished look. Please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is still free $99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.